Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about ratcheting combination wrench from Facom. Facom is really famous French high quality brand. This video will be in bit detail since not only I'm going to talk about these wrenches but also I'm gonna show some footage. Moreover, I'm also gonna show the Facom adapters to make these wrenches into ratchets. And if some of you are planning to buy these wrenches, this video might be helpful to you. Let's take a look to this beautiful yet high quality combination wrench set. It comes with this package. Some demo pictures and technical information can be found in here in this package material. Facom calls these wrenches anti-slip ratchet wrenches. Here you can see how open-ended side of wrench is designed to match hexagonal shape of the fastener. This set has 10 wrenches from 8 to 19, skipping size of 9 and 15. I would say this is the negative aspect in my opinion, since I like socket or wrenches set without any skips, and there were some time when I needed number 15 wrench to hold the brake caliper slide pin. Anyhow, let's move on. First thing about these wrenches I want to talk about is this organizer. This is awesome idea and it's very practical. I can keep this wrench set while it's closed. If I have deep drawer in my tool trolley and it does not make too much space, or I can lay it down in case of shallow drawer, I can also take the whole wrench set if I need to do side jobs. It's so convenient. The length of the biggest wrench is 24 cm. I'm measuring it just to give you an idea. Opening and closing mechanism is flawless. Red and black combination makes it so beautiful. Wrench number marking are marked in white color, make it easily visible unless it get dirty. It might be a problem once it's exposed to the grease and dirt. Facom is laser etched on the red color side and part number on the back side. Beautiful set overall. Let's start from the smallest wrench, which is 8. I'm not gonna show every spanner in it, otherwise this video will become too long. Let's have a look into finish of these wrenches. These are really beautiful wrenches. Every tool I bought from Facom comes with superb workmanship, and from the appearance you can see it's very high quality. Let's talk in detail by looking at the biggest wrench in this set. These wrenches are thinner in width on the neck side and thicker in the middle. Facom is stamped in the protruding style. Wrenches are quite thin. Ratcheting side is 15-degree offset angle. Open end side is a hexagonal shape style, and Facom promotes that into their marketing campaign along with the anti-slip grooves on them, which is a little similar to Flank Drive Plus of Snap-on, but these wrenches have only couple of grooves. The lever here is very interesting. If you notice that the lever is protruding downwards, and it has purpose, I suppose. Changing direction is so easy. I think it's like the older style of wrenches from Snap-on. It is convenient and I like the functionality. Ratcheting function is very smooth and I think it's 60 teeth design. And I tell you guys, it's really comfortable and fits good in the hands. Let's take a look into the short clip. I made this clip for demo purpose. Here you can see how this hexagonal style open end side fits perfectly with the fastener. And it really feels like anti-slip. I'm sure this feature will help on the rusty fastener. Just giving the demo of the ratcheting side is sturdy and smooth. Lever function is very nice and easy to change the direction. Ratcheting function also very nice and smooth. Let's take a look into Facom adapters for these wrenches to make them into ratchets. This is half-inch adapter and it comes with quick release button. 19mm is laser edged, and it means that it will be used with the 19mm wrench. Nice finish and ball locking function for both socket as well as for wrench. Red color quick release button is very smooth. It also feels good quality. This is 1/4 inch adapter, and I wish they had 3/8 adapter too, cause I think 3/8 and 1/4 inch are the more useful than 1/2 inch. Anyhow, this 1/4 inch adapter seems as good as 1/2 inch with same quick release functionality. Here is a 1/4 inch bit adapter. Let's try 1/2 inch adapter on 19mm wrench. You can see it seated quite comfortably. Let's try some socket on it and compare it with the standard Hazet Hyper Series 1/2 inch ratchet. You can see I'm using the bigger socket on the wrench and the smaller on the Hazet ratchet, but there is a significant difference. Wrench with the adapter is certainly stubbier than regular ratchet, and I'm sure in certain situations it will be handy. Don't know though how much torque they can take. Let's try 1/4 inch socket adapter. It will fit on 10mm wrench. Adapter seated quite good into the ratcheting ring. This will be also very handy, especially under dashboard work. Quarter inch adapter will have also its place. It will certainly serve well in narrow spaces. Okay guys, this is it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and consider to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
It's very cold, rain.
Yeah.